Hi guys, it's your girl Rena Vibes here. I just wanted to come over and give a quick review for Dr. Vivek Shah. And this review is just regarding the teeth whitening treatment that I received from them late last year. Now, I found this treatment extremely good and beneficial. I mean, ding, you can clearly see my teeth are really white. And I still have product left over which I can still use, but I just kind of wanted to just speak about my whole experience. Now, I'm not a fan of the dentist, and prior to meeting Dr. Vivek Shah, I hadn't been to the dentist for about 4 years. So you can imagine the anxiety I felt when I had my appointment, not knowing, what they were going to tell me, if I had fillings, if I had root treatments, or whatever the case was. But from the get-go, everybody at the clinic is super friendly, super helpful. Dr. Vivek Shah was so nice and he was very reassuring. Now, during the couple treatments I had prior to getting my teeth whitening kit, I never felt any pain. I actually had to get 2 fillings. And like I said, I hate the dentist. I hate drills. I hate the noise. But it was over and done before I could even think about what was happening in my mouth. There was no pain. He was so gentle, very reassuring, and I literally left there on a high. Like, Dr. Vivek Shah is probably one of the reasons that I don't mind going back to a dentist. So, for those out there who are anxious and get anxiety, worried about dental treatments and the pain, honestly, the Mottingham Dental Beauty Clinic is the place to go. You will be looked after, you will be catered for, and you will leave with an amazing smile that you can be proud to show off. So let's just get into the teeth whitening kit real quick. So this is by a company called Nov I, all right? Now, before you start the whitening process, you do need to get a mold made of your actual teeth, just so that the whitening gel actually sits and penetrates the teeth accordingly. Because with a lot of these teeth whitening home kits, the mouth guards are just plain. So that product isn't really getting onto the teeth and the coverage that that each tooth needs. So with Dr. Vivek Shah, you get your teeth molded. All right, so this is an actual representation of what my teeth look like. All right, so once you have those, all right, you will then get this cute little box, all right, which contains the whitening gel. Oh, you get 4 in there. As you can see, I've literally only used 1. I still have, I've used 1.5. All right, I still have some more to use. So how it would go is, once you've got your syringe out of the casing, you are going to place a tiny amount of the tooth whitening gel, all right, on the back of each of your molds, okay? So this would be my bottom mold for my bottom teeth. And you're gonna place it at the back, which when you put the mold on, will be the front, okay? So just a small amount in each tooth section, all right? And you go through. I don't really worry too much about my back teeth because, you're not seeing my back teeth when I smile, right? So I tend to kind of focus on literally all the teeth you can see when I smile, and that's where I put the gel. Now, once you've got that gel on, you're just gonna slot your mouth guard inside your mouth. Goes in like that. And obviously, because it's made for your teeth, it is a perfect fit. I sound silly, right? So you pop that in your mouth with the gel on and you leave it half an hour. Now, when you've finished, okay, you're going to remove the guard, give it a good rinse, and you're also going to rinse your mouth, all right? Give it a good rinse, get any remaining product out of your mouth, all right? And literally, you will start seeing results within 2 weeks, 10 days to 2 weeks, all right? Now, what I did find with the teeth whitening gel is that sometimes it can make your teeth feel a little bit sensitive. So in that case, you can just use a sensitive toothpaste and just be mindful of that sensitivity. but do continue the treatment. If it does get too bad, then obviously stop. But, you know, regarding any questions that you have, you can always refer back to Dr. Vivek Shah. And, you know, he's the nicest guy. He will answer all of your questions. So that is pretty much the teeth whitening journey for me. And like I said, you can still see the results. It's amazing. I will be doing another treatment over the next couple of weeks, because I do find that even though they're white, they have slightly dulled a little. Yes, you might not see it, but I do. So I'm going to redo that treatment. But guys, look, if you need to see a dentist and you want to have that smile that you can be proud to show off, all right, don't fear. Head on down to Dental Beauty in Mottingham Clinic and get your teeth sorted out. I did. Thanks. This is your girl Rena Vibes. Signing in, signing out.